Once you've installed your software and performed the initial setup, you will need to register the product and install a license key. Click the link to register your product. You'll be presented with your license details. A new CommServe will start with an evaluation license. To get a production license key, you will need to register the product and provide some details to Commvault. To register for a permanent license, click the link to complete the product registration and license management form on the customer support portal. Once complete, you should expect to receive your license key within 3 business days. You can continue to operate using your evaluation license until this arrives. Once your key has arrived, save it and then go back to the license details pane by clicking the Register Your Product link. From the Actions drop-down, select Apply License. Browse to your license file, hit Apply, and the license key will be applied to your environment. Once applied, from the Usage section of the License Details page, click the link to view the License Summary report. This will show you the licenses you have purchased and the usage of these.